Husky is a global leader in injection technology, and our relationship with them was developed over many years. Srithai has bought many machines from Husky, and this long-lasting cooperation has evolved into a partnership, no longer a simple or typical buyer-supplier relationship. What does this mean? It means that the partnership is based on trust and reliable service. To us, reliable service means quick responsiveness to our needs. Quick responsiveness is a critical point Srithai used in selecting the machine suppliers. We are happy with Husky's support and service. Husky is also a leader in innovation, and Srithai will continue to benefit from its innovations. In the area of sustainability, Husky has taken a leading role in uniting various industry players to speak with one voice. We are confident that the sustainability movement under the leadership of Husky will not only gather momentum, but will also deliver positive results to our lovely planet. Remember, the Earth does not need us. We need the Earth to survive. Our partnership with Husky will continue to grow from strength to strength. To put it simply, we learn and grow together.